doing any of these arts and crafts and have fun. Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. So I'll be showing you how to make melted crayon art. So what you'll need is a blank canvas, crayons, blow dryer, glue or glue gun. Now let's get started. So if you want to glue your crayons to your canvas, you can, but if you want to use our method, you can. So you glue the crayons to cardboard, then glue it to the canvas, so you can use it over and over again. And if you want to use a silhouette, you can use a silhouette, but if you don't have to, you don't have to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And we use the cup so the crayons can go over the cup. So it'll look like the crayons are going over the silhouette to make it look like it's raining rainbows. So it looks like we're done, so let's see what we got. So we're gonna do the same thing again, except with a different silhouette. So I'm gonna turn it over, put the glue on the back of it, and then I'm gonna put it on the canvas. So this is what we finished with. They were really fun to make. So this is Stellas Arts and Crafts. I'm Stella, and I hope you enjoyed this week's video. And give a subscribe and a big like on this week's video. So if you have any questions you want to ask, you can leave them on the community page. Bye!